Axon M, the category-defining device, fresh off the press from ZTE. What makes this device so special and unique is that it is a dual-screen phone. Why is it a dual-screen phone? Well, because we've got several modes on this phone, and that's really the heart and soul of how you use this bad boy. So the M button down here will bring up your various modes. Right now, we're in extended mode, which makes this one large screen. If we open up the app tray, we'll be able to see a full display. So let's say we want to watch a video. We've got a very large screen without having a very large phone. So if we want to watch that video, great. We can also watch it a little bit different way. If we change up the mode, we can go to mirror mode, where we've got the same video on each screen. Why would we want that? Well, we set it up sort of like a tent, so that you can be on this side and someone else can be on that side, and we can see the exact same thing across the table. Also great for presentations and games. We'll go to dual mode, which will allow us to open up two separate applications on each screen. So here, if I want to continue to watch a video, I can, but if I want to check my email or work with my calendar on this screen, I can do that as well. So this way, I'm multitasking without compromising screen size. Then we've also got our single mode, which is really just designed for the device when it's closed. One app at a time. One really big piece of this device, in addition to the modes, is the camera. So we've got one camera here. We do not have a camera on this side. This is a 20 megapixel camera, so we open up the camera application and we'll take a photo. Now, that's awesome. What if we want to take a selfie? Well, we click this bad boy and we flip the phone around so that we can take a picture of ourselves. Boom, boom, boom. That's the quick overview of the ZTE Axon app.